Hello everyone and welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. Today I'm sharing household stock up items, and in a separate haul we're going to share favorite finds and all the beauty finds I found as well. In this haul, it's all going to be household items. This is somewhat of a stock up haul. Picked up one of these Lime Away toilet cleaners. This is a new scent of the Suavital fabric conditioning. I usually get the one with the stain remover. Didn't realize this one didn't have that in it, but this is from a line called Sensations, and I got the Brazilian Paradise. It smells amazing. This smells so good. Picked up two of the LA's Totally Awesome 2-in-1 laundry detergents. They're 21 loads. Also for laundry items, I picked up the Suavital Filled Flowers 20 count fabric sheets. Sure Fresh 20 count freezer quart bags. I love these for getting large packs of meat and breaking them up into smaller portions. The ibuprofen, it's a 30 count. Picked up 3 of the Scotties tissues and 2 in this beautiful flower boxes, and the first one is 160 count. These 2 boxes are 128 count. And the last household items I picked up, I got 3 of the aluminum foil sheets. These have 30 in each, and I picked up 30, and I picked up 3 of those. I love lining pans with these, saving leftovers. Can use these on the grill. Really good quality. They also have a non-stick side as well. There also gives you some other ideas of how to use them, and these are always great. I'm glad my Dollar Tree started keeping these again. This is the last couple of times they didn't have those. And that is my Dollar Tree household item stock up. They didn't have a couple of the items that I was looking for today. Go back and pick those items up. But I hope you enjoyed this small household item haul. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree hauls and reviews. Check the description box and the cards for additional Dollar Tree links. Thank you so very much for watching.